This is a woodland ecosystem, and in this environment there are many interrelationships between the living and non-living components of it. I'm surrounded by trees and plants, which are primary producers. They harness the light from the sun and convert it into glucose via photosynthesis. These nutrients, which are primarily found in the form of nuts, berries and leaves, are consumed by primary consumers such as squirrels, rabbits and insects. In larger woodlands you would find deer and other large mammals. The main predators of grubs and insects are animals like shrews and mice. These animals are known as secondary consumers. They also eat primary producers and are therefore omnivorous, as they eat both animals and plants. However, these are not apex predators at the top of the food web, as they are still consumed by tertiary consumers. These include foxes and badgers. In larger woodlands and forests, you will find bears, birds of prey, such as hawks and buzzards, and wolves. The only predators of these animals are humans. Woodlands also consist of decomposers such as fungi and bacteria. You may find some fungi around here. They decompose and break down any nutrients in dead plants, trees and animals. The nutrients are then deposited back into the soil for the plants, and the cycle begins again. The balance of an ecosystem can be greatly affected by small and subtle changes. For instance, if there is very little sun for a long period, then the producers won't photosynthesize as efficiently and produce less sugars. The primary consumers would then have a smaller food source and slowly die out. This creates a domino effect, possibly causing the extinction of a species at the top of the food web, where there are a small amount of just one species. Other events that may cause a decline or even a collapse of the food web include storms, flooding, disease, deforestation and seismic or volcanic activity. If one of these events does wipe out or greatly affect a species of plant or animal, it can be restored to its natural state through the reintroduction of plants and animals by humans in a process called rewilding. Thank you for listening.